Pancake Popcorn Apple Crunch Breakfast Popper Boppers Recipe. Ingredients. For pancake bites. 1. 1 cup pancake mix. 2. 1/2 cup milk. 3. 1 large egg. 4. 1 tablespoon melted butter. 5. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 6. Maple syrup for dipping. For popcorn coating. 1. 4 cups popped popcorn, plain, no butter. 2. 1/2 cup caramel sauce. 3. 1/2 cup chopped nuts, e.g., pecans or almonds. 4. Pinch of salt. For apple crunch topping. 1. 2 apples, diced. 2. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 3. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 4. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Instructions. Prepare pancake bites. 1. In a bowl, whisk together pancake mix, milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract until smooth. 2. Pour the batter into a mini muffin tin, filling each cup about halfway. 3. Bake according to the pancake mix instructions for mini pancakes. Popcorn coating. 1. In a large bowl, mix the popped popcorn with caramel sauce until evenly coated. 2. Add chopped nuts and a pinch of salt, tossing to combine. Prepare apple crunch topping. 1. In a separate bowl, toss diced apples with lemon juice, brown sugar, and ground cinnamon until well coated. Assemble pancake popcorn apple crunch poppers. 1. Allow the mini pancakes to cool slightly. 2. Skewer each pancake with a toothpick. 3. Dip the pancake bites into the popcorn coating, ensuring they are fully covered with the caramel popcorn mixture. Top with apple crunch. 1. Sprinkle the apple crunch topping over the popcorn-coated pancake bites. Serve and enjoy. 1. Arrange the pancake popcorn apple crunch breakfast popper boppers on a serving platter. 2. Serve with a side of maple syrup for dipping. These delightful poppers are a playful and tasty twist on the classic breakfast. The combination of fluffy pancake bites, sweet caramel popcorn, and crunchy apple topping creates a breakfast treat that's both fun and delicious. Enjoy the crunch and burst of flavors with every bite.